How to open an HSBC bank account online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can open an HSBC bank account online. For that, you want to open up any web browser. Now search for HSBC Bank. Then you want to click on the bank account option. Once you click on this option, it will take you to this website. Here, click on the How to Apply option. Now, you want to scroll down and select if you want to apply for a sole account or a joint account. Select according to your preference. Once you have selected that, on the next page, you want to make sure that you have all the information and documents you may need for the application. Then click on the Confirm and Start option. Once you click on this option, it will take you to this page. Here, you will have to enter your personal details. Go ahead and enter your email ID. After that, you want to select the title, then enter the first name. After that, enter your surname or family name. Now select your gender. After that, enter your date of birth. Then select your place of birth. After that, you want to select the nationality. Now you want to select your marital status. After entering all these details, click on the Continue option. On the next page, you will have to enter some other details, then provide the necessary documents and photos. Once that is done, your new account will be successfully created. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.